Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video will be about my deep conditioning protein treatment. So firstly, I'll be using my towel just to protect my body from any form of droppage. Then I'll be going in by showing you what my deep conditioning protein treatments contains. Firstly, I'm using aloe vera, which is my staple product or plant in any of my wash days, and I love using aloe vera because it contains vitamin A and vitamin B, which nourish the hair and promote hair growth, and it also helps to reduce dandruff and dry scalp, and which is exactly what I need. As you can see, I'm just using the sharp side of the knife to scrape it out. Next, I'll be using my moringa leaves. This is an Ayurvedic herb. I added hot water just for it to be able to extract the juice. Then I'll be blending both of it together. You can use both for an hair mask, but I decided to just add more ingredients for my deep conditioning protein treatment. Next up, I'll be adding banana. Banana is very good and it's a common fruit that we all have. It also helps in strengthening the hair, making our hair strands thicker, and most especially it contains antimicrobial properties, so I really love this. And I'm adding a little bit of my honey, which is serving as my humectant in this mixture. And an humectant basically helps to absorb moisture from the environment into the hair strands, and it also helps to add shine to dull hair. Next up, I will be sectioning each portion with my hand. You can use a comb, but I prefer to use my hand. And as you can see, I'm working this deep conditioning protein treatment into each portion of hair, as well as putting it in twists. I'll be repeating the process for all portions of the hair. As you can see, I'm working my way as well as finger detangling while applying this protein treatment and leaving it in my twists. If you are new to this YouTube channel and you've gotten to this point, ensure you hit on the subscribe button, the notification bell right beside it, so you can get notified when new videos like this drop. And let me know if you've tried out this mixture on your wash day or for your deep conditioning protein treatment before. Then I'm just adding a little bit more into all portions of my hair. Next up, I'll be using a plastic bag on my hair. Then I'll be using my satin bonnet. The method I'm using to generate it is basically the body heat method. You can use a steaming cap in this process, but I prefer to use the body heat method. A steaming cap would have been more essential if you would love to use such, but I decided to use this method since I'm an high porosity girl. The steaming cap can dry out my strands fast, and that's not what I would like. Then after about 35 to 40 minutes, because this was an hot day, you can notice that it was dripping. It was already well absorbed into the hair, and you can see it is very easy for me to comb through each portion of the twist, as well as it helps in defining my curls. As you can see clearly that the curls were popping by itself without any coiling custard or gel. And as you can notice also, as I'm losing each of my twists, I am combing it out with my wide toothed comb. After combing it out with my wide toothed comb, I will put each section back into its twist for the rinsing out stage. Once my hair is already rinsed out, as you can see, I will go in with my Mamma Mia organic hair mayonnaise. I have a review on this hair mayonnaise on my Instagram page, but the reason why I really love this hair mayonnaise is because it contains black castor oil and avocado oil with other plant extracts. Then I'll just be applying this to all strands as well as the roots of my hair and massaging it in properly. I'll be using each twist so I can ensure that the hair mayonnaise gets into all portions of the hair. And you will notice that it was very easy for me to use my hand to finger detangle at this point because of the deep conditioning protein treatment I just did, as well as the hair mayonnaise having enough slip for me to do so. Then afterwards, I'll just put my hair in a plastic bag and wear my satin bonnet for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off. If you enjoyed today's video and you would like to see more videos just like this, comment down below, and also let me know the types of videos you would like to see on my YouTube channel. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.